Today we're going to talk about how to get USDT in order to buy Pegaxy and then buy Viz and Pegaxy Stone. So you can use something like QuickSwap or KyberSwap to get USDT, but you're going to want to use KyberSwap in order to get Viz and the Pegaxy Stone. Use an exchange like KuCoin to send Matic to your MetaMask. Can then see that I got PGX and Viz. We're gonna breed all these ones together and participate in the breeding event. All right, so what I did, I used KuCoin to send Matic to my MetaMask. From there, I went to QuickSwap, swapped it for USDT, came to the marketplace. I then from the marketplace bought Breed Count 1 Pegaxys. Then you use KyberSwap because this has the most liquidity. You can buy Viz and Pegaxy Stone. The only reason I know this is because of my good community member PL, who's in the chat with me right now where we're breeding horses together. Let's go, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and breed these together. All right, so I'm just going to breed the top two and these two together. No real reason, because actually you can then burn these two to get a higher rarity, and then they will randomly regenerate new stats. That's why these are going for so cheap, and I'm buying dirt floor Pegaxys because I'm planning on burning them in the future. Because when you burn them, then you get a higher rarity and random rerolled stats. And it's not even going to matter what stats you have right now. So I suggest you start breeding, just getting as many as you can so you can burn them together and create rare, legendary, whatever Pegaxy you want to go for. Should be ready to go and go through the process of buying more Viz token on KyberSwap. And then we'll breed one more. What's up, baby? Say hello to the audience.
How's it going, boys?
We're not going to breed the 0 till tomorrow with the other 1s or 2s or whatever. Oh, yeah, these are all going to turn into 2s. I might have to just buy another 0. Let's go, baby. Ooh, congratulations.
Right.
You got a new Pega. Ooh, look at that.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's see.
Ooh, it comes out a 0? Oh, way.
Yeah, he should, yeah.
Oh, what? That's epic. Now I can breed with the 0. Oh, and it's a male.
Alright, so which one is the one?
This new one right here, male.
Okay.
It's got all the
Okay.
question marks on it. Let's check it out.
That's it.
Alright. Those guys, it's gotta take a while to confirm. But there it is.
Damn, look at him. Majestic.
Majestic. Yeah. All right. So we got one more to
That's
go,
awesome.
but I gotta bring them through the process of buying some more vigor because we are low here. We need a little bit more to breed 2 1s together. I thought we were just doing. We need to buy 2,000 more. So come over to KyberSwap. Pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. Super easy to use. Love it. The only reason I was able to find this is because of my mate PL, the manager of the manager. So go back to the breeding. Change it up a bit. Here we got the 2s. Let's go with the 1s. Running into the failed transactions again. Good thing I know settings, advanced, reset account. There we go. All better. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. History in the making right here. Are you as excited as I am? Because I don't know.
Alright.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Oh, I don't see it.
Not yet.
He's gone.
Oh, damn.
Oh. Oh.
He ran away or what?
Yeah, and they're still showing 1s. Oh, stressful. It's stressful being a breeder and a parent. Oh, there we go.
Alright.
2 big boys, 2 males,
Nice,
big
nice.
papas.
Let's go.
Oh, you use all your energy when you breed? Huh. Well, zeros right here sell pretty good, and they're cheap to breed, so now we're gonna win some races.
The zero that you got was a female, right?
What's up?
The
Yeah,
one with the
right here.
zero that you bought,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a female. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
We're gonna use that to breed tomorrow with the males. And we're gonna race these little twos. Might sell these twos again and sell these twos maybe. Buy some more ones. I don't know. There's plenty of opportunity, ways to make some money. Race them, sell them, breed them.
Yes, sir.
We'll keep you updated in the next video what we do. We'll figure it out. Me and PL will keep you up to date. Make sure you join the Juice Gaming team. Come over here. We give Pegasus Pegaxy scholarships. Pegasus, jeez. Give Pegasus scholarships all day, and we give plenty of other scholarships to other games. And we making guilds, clans, all the latest, greatest blockchain games. Come check us out. They're saying they breed 3 times with the ones or the zeros and then sell them and then repeat.
Yeah, something like, I'm pretty sure that's what people are doing right now, yeah.
Well,
Breed a shit
or
ton, sell them.
we can also rent them out. Rent them out to
How
breed
much is renting going right now?
or rent a race.
Share profit. I'm pretty sure this is not like it's way easier to rent right now, but yeah, you could rent them. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you can rent them for, they're going for like 15% for you, but if you find a scholar, you can give them like 25, 30%, 50%. Which we offer in the Juice Gaming Discord. Join us.